Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial. My name is Khalil and today I will be walking you through step by step on how to fix your HP laptop with a problem if you keep having additional disk space needed while formatting or trying to format your PC from settings. The main reason this particular HP does not let you reset from settings is because it only has 32 gigabytes built-in storage. So by the time you have downloaded a couple applications and did a couple software updates, you won't have any more storage to do that. So the first step what you'll need to do is you want to go ahead and turn off the PC completely off. Then the next step you want to do is, as soon as the computer is completely turned off, you want to press the power, then you want to tap on the F11 key as soon as it comes on. This will take you to the recovery screen, and from there I will show you what to do next. When you get to the screen, what you want to do, you want to pick the second option, use a device. So you want to go ahead and double click on that option. For our next step, we're going to need a USB with Windows 10 installed on it in order to continue from this point on. I will put in the comment section below on how to obtain or download Windows 10 for free on a USB flash drive. So you want to insert the USB, then you want to pick the second option, EFI USB drive. When you get to the setup menu, you can pick your language from here. We're just going to go with English, then we're going to hit next. Once you hit next, you want to install now. Double click on that option. Right here, you want to check mark on accept the license terms. Then you want to hit next to go to the next step. Next, what we're going to be doing, we're going to pick the custom install option. You want to double click. Then we're going to be doing is I'm going to be deleting the recovery file. So you want to select that and hit the delete. Then you want to hit yes or OK. Once that is done, we're going to be formatting the primary drive. Once that is done, you want to select the primary, then hit format. Then hit continue. This will take a couple minutes. Next, what you want to do, just hit refresh right after you did the format and deleted some of the non-needed partitions. This will take a couple seconds. Once it's done, make sure to select the primary and you want to hit next. Then it will start to download and install Windows fresh from the USB to the PC. And that should fix the problem. This will take roughly 20 minutes to complete. Just let it do its own thing. It's going to restart a couple times after the install. Just don't do anything. Don't unplug it from the charger. Keep it plugged and don't touch anything on the keyboard. This is it guys, we are finally at the end of our video. As you've seen in this video, we fixed the format and we did format it using the USB drive. The link is going to be in the comment section below on how to obtain and download the Windows 10 on a USB. If you liked my video and if you found it helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.